FitLens AI just dropped, and I've tested it hands-on. Here are 7 crucial things you need to know before you waste time or money. If you're even thinking about trying this AI software, watch until the end because there's one unexpected feature that sets it apart from everything else out right now. By the way, you can try FitLens AI completely free using the first link in the description below. No credit card, no nonsense. Now, FitLens AI is designed to help digital marketers, coaches, content creators, and business owners turn raw content like Zoom calls, podcasts, or long videos into ready-to-post social media clips automatically. And yes, it actually works. First, the upload process is frictionless. You drop in your long-form content, and FitLens AI uses advanced scene detection and AI-powered highlight identification to find the most engaging moments. I tested it with a 30-minute podcast, and within 3 minutes, it delivered 5 polished clips that were not only well cut, but already captioned and framed in a vertical format, ready for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Second, the editing quality is solid. It adds dynamic zoom-ins, subtitles, and intelligently follows the speaker, even in group conversations. You'd usually need Premiere Pro or a freelancer to pull this off. FitLens AI does it in a few clicks. Third, what stood out to me most, it understands context. It's not just slicing video by length, it's pulling moments that hook viewers using sentiment analysis and keyword relevance. That's huge for anyone doing content repurposing. Fourth, it supports multi-platform optimization. You can render the same clip in different aspect ratios, tweak the branding, and generate a clean post description, all inside the dashboard. No extra tools needed. Fifth, the AI learns. The more content you upload, the better it gets at predicting what your audience will respond to. This is basically your content strategist and video editor rolled into one. Sixth, the speed. For creators like me who are pumping out daily content, turnaround time matters. FitLens AI is fast. You upload a file, and by the time you reply to a couple of emails, your clips are done. And finally, this is important, it's not just for video. You can extract quote cards, blog post snippets, even tweet ideas from the same upload. If you're into omnichannel content distribution, this saves hours. If you're new to this space, trust me, after testing thousands of AI tools in the last year, FitLens AI is one of the best just released AI software tools I've come across in terms of real-world utility. It's built for creators who don't want to be bogged down in editing and marketers who want output without hiring a team. Try FitLens AI free from the link below. You've got nothing to lose and your content game might just level up overnight. Also, check the description for a list of my top recommended AI tools you can try for free, based on actually testing thousands of them.